Hare Krishna, welcome to Sattvic Lifestyle. Today we are going to see a very famous South Indian recipe for idli and dosa, which is nothing but the idli podi or a gun powder. For this, take a tawa, and in that tawa take 1.5 cups of black urad dal. Black urad dal with the skin is very good for health. It has high protein and rich in iron. This is very helpful for diabetic and calcium deficiency problems. This is what my Ayurvedic doctor recommended. Please check with your doctor. And also take another tawa, add 1.5 cups of chana dal. The equal quantity of urad dal and chana dal is taken here. And again, dry roast both of the items which we have taken in a medium flame. So the tawa, I have kept it along the side so that you don't miss it. You have to continuously fry it or stir it so that it doesn't get overcooked or burnt. And I have kept the urad dal and chana dal along the side so that I don't miss a bit. And it's continuously stirred to become a golden brown in color. So this is almost done. The black urad dal is almost done. It became golden brown, and I have transferred into another container so that the heat from the pan doesn't cook more and then it doesn't get burnt. So for the chana dal, again I'm frying till it becomes golden brown. This is continuously stirred. Once it is ready, I am adding a little bit of oil so that the heat doesn't get transferred and doesn't get burnt. This is again continuously stirred. Continuously stirring is giving a good aroma and a color, and it's thoroughly cooked. Now I am adding the fried black urad dal and get it stirred together. So both of the lentils are actually cooked and it's ready for grinding to become a powder. Before that, I am adding the tadka items, which is asafoetida or hing or perungayam, which gives a very good taste and aroma. Now I am mixing it together. In this recipe, we don't use onion, garlic for any item. So as usual, I didn't add garlic here. And for the spiciness, I am taking a little bit quantity of chilies. You can take the quantity of chilies according to your taste and spiciness level. Here I am adding like 7 or 8 red chilies, and that is little bit roasted. And also along the side, I have taken 2 pods of curry leaves and then dry roasted it. And that is actually crunched using the hand instead of adding it in the mixie, so that you get the taste bites. Now it's ready for grinding. You transfer all the roasted mixture in the mixie or a grinder and make it a powder. Now gunpowder is ready. So you can see the color is very pale yellow because the quantity of urad dal and chana dal has given this color. If you have taken white urad dal, then the powder would have been dark yellow, which is very bright for the pictures and videos, but now this is very healthy. The color looks very dull. Otherwise the taste is very nice. You won't see the difference between the yellow gunpowder and this one. It's looking very white in color because of the black urad dal, but it's very rich in protein and iron because of the black urad dal. Now I have added this curry leaves which I had powdered using hands and then mixing it together. Now this is ready to serve with idli and dosa and whatever the breakfast items you like. It's very yummy. Actually, I've taken this 2 spoons of gunpowder, the podi or idli podi. In a container, added 2 spoons of oil, mixed it, offer it together with an idli or dosa and taste it. Thank you for watching. Hare Krishna.